Hey, if you are using Face ID on iPhone 16, but sometimes your face cannot be recognized by your iPhone, then I can recommend you to go into the settings, go for Face ID and a passcode, input your passcode, and right here, first of all, I can highly recommend you to set up an alternate appearance. So in addition to continuously learning how we look, Face ID can recognize an alternate appearance. So you'll have to just simply click here, and then you will have to basically set up another Face ID. So you will have to scan your face. Also, if you are wearing a mask, then it will be also useful to scan your face when you are wearing a mask. And you can simply try to remove this option to require attention for Face ID and turn off attention aware features. So it will also improve, this recognizing of your face on the iPhone 16. And that's how you can do this right now. Tell me if it works, and thanks for watching.